What's up, guys? I'm Jake, and this is my shop, RVL Performance. Look at this hot angle. Run through a few of the cars we have in here. We primarily build and work on drift cars here. This car here is a S13. It's an old Pro-Am car that my buddy Nick picked up.
Dude, that shit was actually...
And he just got this engine in and everything, and it's an LS swap. We're gonna get some wiring done, fluids, and first startup on it. Next door is its neighbor, actually the cameraman's car. He doesn't like to talk about that himself much, but it's a KAT. Last season, he decided to just put 2 huge holes in the block. All new internals, fancy. So this is kind of the same deal as the LS. Wire up, fluids, first start, and a few other little things. And then car number 3 that's here doesn't really belong here. No, just kidding. This is my brother's car.
Because for me it's okay. I like the look of it.
This started out as a SR S13 that we did. Well, he did like a I don't know, 2 or 3 drift events in it and decided that Jay-Z was the move. So this got a 1J VVTi, and he's just got it down here doing some small stuff, making sure it's ready for the next event. And then S13 number 4 is a really cool dude who him and his family like to bring me all their stuff to work on. Family. And this is just a all factory S13 with some light mods and a really fresh dual cam KA in it. And we're just here for some regular maintenance. We're gonna add some power steering to it, and button up a couple of maintenance things on it, and that's it. And we're rolling. So I think we have one more this way. And this thing's just finished up on this one. We had a little wiring diagnostics on this S13. That's a factory dual cam car. We're doing a set of tires on it and a handful of other little things. So yeah, we can cruise outside out front, check it out. Out front we gotta look at the cameraman's daily, dude. Wait. The cameraman's daily driver is this beautiful Crown that we've manual swapped, full exhaust, and little NA 1J action. And then we got my daily 88 Cressida 2JZ GE. I don't get to take any credit for this car at all. This was a guy named Nick up in like Eugene area who's had this car forever, and he's done everything to it, and it's just absolutely the most fun car out there to drive. So I had no choice but to snag it from him when he was ready to get rid of it. We're a little light on inventory, but normally try to keep things stocked pretty well. As thrash seats, NRG items, shift knobs, steering wheels, and we've got some stuff in store for some of those items that are kind of special. You'll see soon. You'll see very soon. But that's it, man. RVL Performance.
Ow!